Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's lesson is all about being polite and making a first good impression if you are planning to spend your time around Armenians. Some of these words might seem a bit too difficult, too long, but please give it a try because Armenians really appreciate it when foreigners, non-Armenian speakers try to speak in Armenian. Alright, so the first word is շնորհակալություն. Շնորհակալություն. Շնորհակալություն means thank you. Use this word when you get something from an Armenian speaker. When you go to a store, you go to a cafe, etc. I know that this word is too long, and for Armenians this word is also too long. That's why we have an alternative, merci շատ, which means thank you a lot. This merci is the Armenianized version of French merci, merci. So this is our alternative, and more often you would hear Armenians saying merci շատ than շնորհակալություն. My next word is ներողություն or կներես. These words mean sorry. You use these words when you make a mistake, like you accidentally step on someone's feet and then you want to apologize. If someone tells you a sad story and you feel sympathy for them, you want to say, I feel sorry to hear that. In this case, you don't say կներես or ներողություն. You say ափսոս. It's like, it means it's unfortunate. If it's a really sad story, then you would say ցավում եմ. It means like I feel pain. My next word is բարի ախորժակ or anush. We use this when someone is eating around us. These words mean bon appetit, like have a nice meal. Բարի ախորժակ and anush. My next word is առողջություն. You say առողջություն when someone around you is sneezing. My next expressions are chacha and խնդրեմ. You use this when you want to say you're welcome. Armenians would also say in a situation when someone says thank you, Armenians would say խնդիր չկա, it's not a problem, or բան չկա, it's not a thing. Okay, let's have a quick summary. Today we have learned words that can help you to be polite. We learned շնորհակալություն, merci շատ, this both mean thank you. Then we learned կներես or ներողություն, sorry. Then we learned չարժե, խնդիր չկա, բան չկա եւ խնդրեմ. So 4 expressions to say you're welcome or it's not a deal. And lastly, we learned առողջություն, be healthy, and բարի ախորժակ or anush for have a nice meal. At the end, I just want to tell you that Armenians are very straightforward people. Make sure you are not overusing all these շնորհակալություններ, կներեսներ, խնդրեմներ, because it might make you sound a little bit too fake. You only say thank you when there is a reason, good reason to be thankful. So that was it for today. Շատ շնորհակալություն, անչափ շնորհակալություն for being wonderful learners, and see you soon. It was Shushi from Hayasa.